Alrighty then, welcome to the 17th video of Bangkok Unmasked, the YouTube channel that helps you get the most out of your visit to Bangkok City. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to answer a question that I've been asked again and again by many of my friends and acquaintances who don't live in Bangkok. Is Bangkok prostitution legal? Let's get started. So is prostitution in Bangkok legal? Despite what you may have read on the internet, the short answer is a resounding no. The Prevention and Suppression of Prostitution Act, 1996, is the core legal framework prohibiting prostitution. Under the Act, a definition of prostitution is provided. Quote, sexual intercourse or any other act, or the commission of any other act, in order to gratify the sexual desire of another person in a promiscuous manner in return for money or any other benefit, irrespective of whether the person who accepts the act and the person who commits the act are of the same sex or not. End quote. It must be highlighted that a clear definition of the phrase in a promiscuous manner is not provided. Under the Act, people who solicit sex in an open and shameless manner, or who are causing nuisance to the public, are subject to a fine of no more than 1,000 baht. The part that's not so well known is that people mingling in a prostitution establishment, that's the customers or johns, face a jail term of up to 1 month and or a fine of up to 1,000 baht. It should be noted though that the term prostitution establishment is not clearly defined, although it may be broadly interpreted to include any place where prostitution takes place, especially in regards to cases involving child prostitution. The Act also imposes heavier penalties against owners of prostitution businesses and establishments, a jail term of 3 to 15 years, or longer in the case of untraced or forced sex workers. The Criminal Code also stipulates penalties for procuring or using money earned from prostitution. The Prevention and Suppression of Prostitution Act was written with a particular focus upon child prostitution and trafficking. Section 8 penalises customers who engage in sexual intercourse with sex workers under the age of 15 years with a prison term of 2 to 6 years and a fine of up to 120,000 baht. For sex workers between the ages of 15 and 18 years, the prison term is 1 to 3 years and the fine is up to 60,000 baht. After 18 years of living in Bangkok, there's something that I think needs to be said to all the Western social justice warriors who come over and make a fuss about prostitution in Bangkok and Thailand. The Thai sex industry aimed at tourists is hardly even the tip of the iceberg. I'm referring to places like Soi Cowboy, Nana Plaza, Pat Pong, Walking Street and Pattaya, Soi Bangalore and Phuket, etc. A lot of women and men in Thailand sell sexual services for money. Siamese 50 stang brothels were popular in the early half of the 20th century, while the extremely popular Ab Ob Nuot, known in English language as soapy massage, has been around since the 1940s. This is a massage, part of which is generally conducted in a large bath or jacuzzi, with a full service happy ending. Only over the last few years has the full body massage with no penetration become extremely popular, with new shops opening all over the country. There's also now what's referred to as the business of sidelines, which is young girls, supposedly of a more pure status, selling themselves online. In a report by the Kinsey Institute, 90% of Thai male participants had had sex with a prostitute, and 74% had lost their virginity with a female sex worker. It's no secret, but Thai men tend to be discreet about the matter. While prostitution has effectively been illegal in Thailand since 1960, it's estimated to be worth $6.4 billion a year in revenue, a significant part of the country's GDP, according to black market research company Haverscope. In 2004, Dr. Nitet Tinakun, while working at Chulalongkorn University, said that the sex industry in Thailand involved 2.8 million people, 2 million women, 20,000 adult males, and 800,000 minors under the age of 18. Dr. Nitet estimated that this number includes those indirectly involved in the industry, including cleaners at establishments, accountants, and even corrupt politicians receiving kickbacks from bars. One final comment. Thai women have historically been used as chattel. Dok Kaew, the practice of selling off a daughter at a young age to a male buyer, although not available until she came of age, was practiced in Thailand until the 90s. Modern prostitution, while often condemned by Western social justice warriors, is arguably a less worse outcome than what befell many unfortunate Thai women in the past. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that it answers the question, is Bangkok prostitution legal? Expect a new video shortly. It should be posted in about a week or so. For all you techies out there, this video is shot on a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and edited using HitFilm Express. Finally, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel through the button below. Also, if you have any comments on this blog post, please do write something in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.